She's standing right here. She's standing right there. Not harming anybody. Tackled and tased. You want to be tackled and tased? You wouldn't like that, would you, Garcia? For no reason. Why are they doing it? Give us a reason. What is the charge? What is the charge? Let them go. Let them go.
Let them go. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go.
Where are they going? Where are they going?
Where are they going? Why are they taking them? We want to know.
Y'all are fucking charged. What's the charge? Y'all are trash.
What's the charge? What is the charge?
What's the charge? What's the charge? That's enough. You didn't do shit to you. Shut the fuck up. What's the charge? Y'all just don't want to hear what's the charge. Y'all are more rats than me.
Let her go! Let her go! Let her go! Please let her go! Let her go! Look what y'all are doing! Look what you're doing!
New on the night beat, Carrizo Springs shaken by a tragedy that's affected one of the largest families in town. 2 teenagers dead along with their father. All 3 bodies found in their home, but few details have been released by officials. The Night Team's Charles Gonzalez spoke with family members and residents in shock by what happened this afternoon.
13-year-old Adira Bresenio and 14-year-old Andy Bresenio were found inside this mobile home this afternoon along with their father Andy. A neighbor called 911 after seeing smoke coming from the windows. The children's great uncle, County Commissioner Juan Carmona, was one of the first on the scene.
I came down to check it out and they told us it was something else.
Right down from the barracks or Boy Scout area. Looks like, oh, it's storage. Okay, kind of see. This used to be, I think it looked like a medical center. Mira. Ooh, you can go through the, oh no you can't. If that fence wasn't there, you could walk right in through the back. Oh my god, there's all kinds of dogs. Poochie! 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 And to the other end. Poochie! Oh my goodness! There's another one. Is there no end? Is there no end? Alright, I'm at the top of the hill. Cities love to put water towers on the highest points for practical purposes. This might be a good launch point for the drone. It's not many people, it's a higher point. Overlook the town. You don't need to rise up too high They'd be already over the town. They're always good launch points, choosing the highest spot. Oh no. Oh no, the train. That's a 15-minute wait. I gotta cross those tracks. Maybe I could beat it. It's so slow, you gotta go down a ways. Endless. And I don't know why they get away with that horn. That blares through so many neighborhoods. It's so annoying. All right. Let's see if this sound is okay. Probably not. Right into the sun. Wonderful. All you need for Christmas is me. Oh, it's a four-way. Okay. Whoa. Whoa, guys. Whoa. Right, here's another situation. Bicycle tire went flat. I filled it up a couple hours ago. It's not really flat. It might be a slow leak. Not in a hurry to want to change out the tube. Stolen buck knives. I left it right in here in this outdoor section. Alright, so I was just playing with this pop grip thing a little bit. I was thinking, wow, how many people put this on the screen side by accident? They're like, oops. It's kind of, you got to pay attention. So I'm going to put it right in the center. That's kind of suggested. So it's my job this time of year to inspect the Christmas trees to make sure they're up to a good standard. Alright, it looks like a lot of these points are focused at oh wait, it doesn't say San Antonio. Well, they're just, okay, there's some that are south. Laredo Election Alliance, or Riot, that's where I want to head to. 74 miles, that's so far. Republic of the Rio Grande. Museum, oh. Alright, they're pretty far. Whatever's going on here. San Antonio there. Alright, and this is Carrizo. This yard is full of cats. I'm just gonna have a quick look. Yeah, they're gonna run, aren't they? Whoop. Oh, it smells so bad. I think I see part of the reason why there's so many buzzards on that tower. There's so many cats below. Oh gee.
How's it going?
Good. All right, drive through. What kind of place sells a crash report? I don't know what the heck they're doing. I don't see a sign. I'd have to cross the road to see it. Yeah, it's not clear who they are. I already got these taters that were sitting in the ferments for a couple of weeks. They're extremely sour to the center. I got milk in here. I put them in milk. I'm thinking maybe I bite into them with milk covering them, but I'm not satisfied with that. So I'm going to crush them and see what smashed potatoes are more like with the milk. Because I'm not too happy with taking big bites of vinegary potatoes and then trying to drink some milk in between. I want it all together. Maybe that could help. They seem to stiffen up when they go through the fermentation. You just got to crush them down and get them ready. All right, crushed fermented potatoes. So a little bit better. It's a sour with the milk. Milk is not sour at all. So the liquid for all three of my vegetable ferments might be a little foul, but the potatoes that I have in there, some of the fruit vegetables in the vegetable ferment is pretty edible. I'm not choking it down. That's the thing. I'm not choking down the vegetables. So the liquid may be a little foul, but it's not getting me sick. I'm not choking down the vegetables. I'm able to preserve them outside of a refrigerator. It seems like a win-win. I mean, I'd like to continue this. Look at this. I put a warning specifically next to this nice orange tree. It looks like nice oranges. You know, I think I like this cop cam so much. I might get another one. I'm not sure. I want one to wear on my chest and then also keep one on my hand, and I'll run them at the same time, and then I'll get different angles. One for the chest and then one I can control with my hand to maybe kind of cup it.